Upper On, coming to you from the ET camp, and today is Canteen Cup Tuesday, and we're going to have ranch beans with little Smokies in it. Today we're using an alcohol burner with the solo stove. Our ingredients will be ranch style beans. I have about a dozen little Smokies to put in it. And I've already cut up some garlic and onions. And we'll top it off with some cheese. And today I'd like to put a shout out to Phat Outdoors. That's Phat Outdoors. He does Canteen Cup Tuesdays and he does Cajun food quite often. So let's put a shout out to Phat Outdoors. Okay, we're ready to start here. Our first ingredient will be some of the ranch style beans. We'll pour a little bit in, and then we'll pour the onions in. And the garlic. And then we'll put the rest of the beans in. Stir it up a little bit. And now we'll put in the Smoky Joes. And we'll let it heat a little bit. I'd like to thank all those people that stop by to watch my videos. And those who subscribe, I have quite a few new subscribers. I'd like to thank them too. And if you enjoy my videos, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. Okay, it looks like it's getting pretty hot, so we'll plate some up. Put some cheese on top. And we'll show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like today. And now for the taste test. I know these are going to be good because we've done this before. Yep, they're good. Thanks for stopping by. Sure to give us a big thumbs up.